Hello everyone, welcome to another CrafTangles product intro. And today I want to take you through a completely new product to CrafTangles, which is journaling stickers. These journaling stickers work beautifully with our other journaling products, and they come in a pack of 25 stickers. Each sticker measures 4 centimeter by 6 centimeter. I'll take you through unboxing of all the designs that we are releasing. These stickers are made in India and they are very reasonably priced for all those journaling and art journal lovers out there. For our first launch, we are releasing designs which includes silhouettes, which are perfect for your layouts, as well as vintage elements, vintage patterns, vintage scripts, etc. We are releasing 8 new designs in these journaling stickers collection. I'll take you through each and every design, and at the end of the video, there is also some inspiration for you all on where how we have created some journaling pages using these and our sticker rules, which are also newly launched. At any point of time, if you are curious to know more about these journaling stickers or our other journaling supplies, you can check the link below in the description of the video where we take you to the website which contains all the details and designs available with us.